Have you ever wished you could shed those extra pounds quickly? Well, you're in luck because today, we will discuss losing weight in just 2 weeks. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is that even possible? The answer is yes, but it takes dedication and the right approach. We'll focus on 2 key areas: exercise and nutrition. So, grab your water bottle and let's get started on this weight loss journey together. First, let's talk about exercise. We need to increase our physical activity to lose weight in 2 weeks. But don't worry, it's not as daunting as it sounds. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate to intense exercise every day. This could be a brisk walk, a jog, or even a dance session in your living room. The key is to get your heart rate up and break a sweat. Let's break down some practical exercises you can do. Cardio is crucial for burning calories. Try running, cycling, or swimming if you can access a pool. These activities burn a lot of calories in a short time. Remember strength training. Building muscle helps boost your metabolism. You can start with bodyweight exercises like push-ups, squats, and lunges. Do 3 sets of 10, 15 repetitions for each exercise. High-intensity interval training is another excellent option. It involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief rest periods. A simple workout could involve 30 seconds of jumping jacks and 10 seconds of rest. Repeat this for 10-15 minutes. But remember, it's not about the intensity of the workout, it's about the consistency. Try to exercise at the same time each day to build a habit. Morning workouts can be great as they kickstart your metabolism for the day. Now, let's move on to nutrition. This is equally important for weight loss. You've probably heard the saying, "You can't outrun a bad diet." It's true. What you eat plays a massive role in weight loss. First, let's talk about portion control. Use smaller plates to trick your mind into thinking you're eating more. Fill half your plate with vegetables, a quarter with lean protein, and a quarter with whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, or whole wheat pasta. Speaking of vegetables, aim to eat more of them. They're low in calories but high in nutrients and fiber. This helps you feel full without consuming too many calories. Fiber is your friend when trying to lose weight. It helps with digestion and keeps you feeling full. Good sources include fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Protein is also essential. It helps build muscle and keeps you feeling satisfied. Good sources include chicken, fish, tofu, and legumes. Cut back on processed foods and sugary drinks. These are often high in calories but low in nutrients. Instead, opt for whole foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Stay hydrated. Sometimes we mistake thirst for hunger. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. You can also try herbal teas in a variety of flavors. Plan your meals. This helps avoid impulsive eating and ensures you have healthy options on hand. Prep your meals for the week on Sunday to save time. Don't skip meals, especially breakfast. Eating regularly helps maintain your metabolism and prevents overeating later. If this content has been helpful to you, we would appreciate it if you could subscribe to our channel. Now, let's talk about some common mistakes to avoid. Don't crash diet or starve yourself. This can slow down your metabolism and lead to muscle loss. Avoid weighing yourself every day. Weight fluctuates naturally, so weekly weigh-ins are more accurate. Don't rely solely on cardio. Remember, losing weight too quickly can be unhealthy. Aim for 1-2 pounds per week for sustainable weight loss. Lastly, get enough sleep. Aim for 7-9 hours of sleep each night. And there you have it, folks. These are the critical steps to losing weight in 2 weeks through exercise and nutrition. Remember, the most important thing is to make sustainable changes that you can maintain long-term. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Remember to subscribe for more fitness and health tips.